which is the best face wash for summers. So when we transition into summers, of course, there's a lot of sweating, there's a lot of greasiness. So we want a face wash that is going to clean our face thoroughly, but it's not going to dry it out. So today I'm going to be telling you the best face wash for summers according to your skin type, as in the best face wash for oily skin, combination skin, normal skin, dry skin, and how you should be choosing it. Hi, I'm dermatologist Dr. Nirupama, and I make videos in English on skincare and hair care on this channel and in Hindi on this channel. You could subscribe to our channels and also follow me on Instagram. So let's first start with oily skin, acne prone skin. For this kind of skin type, you need a face wash which helps remove the excess oil without drying out the skin too much. One great option is Bioderma Sebum Gel Moussant. It is a pretty good face wash, especially for oily skin. Why? Because it contains zinc sulfate and copper sulfate, which help reduce the excess sebum. Another great thing about this face wash is the cleansing surfactant. They are mild, they are not as harsh, so they are not going to dry out the skin too much or irritate the skin too much. However, this face wash has a little bit of fragrance, so if you have a very sensitive skin, it might not be the best face wash for you, but otherwise it works great for oily skin, acne prone skin. Moving on, even CeraVe foaming cleanser is a great option, especially if you have normal to oily skin. Why? Because it contains ceramides, which help support the skin barrier. It contains niacinamide, which help reduce inflammation, and it contains hyaluronic acid for hydration. However, there is one small thing. This is a little gentle. So if you have very oily skin, then you might not feel that it is causing deep exfoliation or deep pore cleansing. Otherwise, it's a great option if you have normal skin, oily skin, or normal to oily skin. Now let's talk about the Dermaco Salicylamide Anti-Acne Face Wash. So it's a great face wash if you're having blackheads, whiteheads on your face, if there's a lot of clogging of pores. Why? Because it contains salicylic acid, and salicylic acid helps reduce sebum as well as it reduces the clogging of pores. Along with salicylic acid, this has niacinamide as well, which is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. Also, it has allantoin, which also soothes the skin. So it's a great face wash if you have oily or acne prone skin. However, there is one thing about this: if you use it or overuse it, especially in normal skin, little drier skin, or even in combination skin sometimes, then it can lead to a lot of dryness. Why? Because of overuse. Otherwise, it is a great face wash for oily acne prone skin. Now let's talk about Sebamed Clear Face Cleansing Foam. So this is also a great face wash for acne prone skin, oily skin. So it is a soap free face wash, and also it helps maintain the skin's pH of 5.5. If we talk about its texture, then it has a foam texture which is very lightweight. It helps clean the face, it helps clean the dirt, dust and sebum, but it can feel a little mild if you have extremely oily skin. But otherwise, it's a great face wash for daily use for oily skin and acne prone skin. So now let's talk about dry skin. So in summers, there's a lot of heat outside, so we tend to stay indoors in air conditioners, so our skin can get even more dry and it can feel dehydrated. So you would need a gentle face wash. This simple, kind to skin, refreshing face wash is going to be a great option. Why? Because it is 100% soap free, there is no fragrance, it contains glycerine which helps attract water, and it contains panthenol, which is great for our skin because it is soothing, it is hydrating. So this is a great face wash for dry, sensitive skin. However, if you're looking for something which is also going to help control the oil, the excess oil, as well as help reduce acne or work in acne prone skin also, this might not be the best option, but otherwise it's a great face wash for nearly all skin types, especially for dry, sensitive skin. Now let's talk about a cleanser which cleans the skin thoroughly but yet supports hydration. I'm talking about Minimalist 5% Aquaporin Cleanser. So this contains hyaluronic acid as well as oat extracts and panthenol. It's a great cleanser for all skin types, but particularly for normal to dry skin. But some people might find it less foamy, especially if they're used to using cleansers which foam a lot or harsh cleansers. So this might be a little less foamy for them, but otherwise it's a great cleanser. Now let's discuss which is going to be the best cleanser for you this summer, especially if you have very dry and sensitive skin. So you could use Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is a great cleanser. It is non-foaming and it is soap-free. It also contains niacinamide, glycerine, panthenol and other hydrating ingredients. So it cleans the skin without dehydrating it, drying it out. And it is a great cleanser which you can use on a daily basis. However, you should not be using just this cleanser if you wear heavy makeup or if you wear heavy sunscreens, because that might not be enough. You might need to double cleanse also. But otherwise, for a very dry, sensitive skin, this is a great cleanser. So I have made a detailed video on Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. If you wish to see it, you can click on this link. So I hope you understood which is going to be the best face wash for you and which skin type should use which cleanser, especially this summer. If you did like this video, do let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.